We are brought to you today by HomeServe. Now, HomeServe is a home repair service company. Ken Kogan is from Suffolk Plumbing in the Isle of Long, Suffolk, Long Island.
Yes.
Does plumbing require a license? What's involved with getting a plumbing license? No, there's no license at all. No.
Well, for us, from where I am from in Long Island, you have to work for a master plumber who has a license for a period of 7 years under his license. So yes, some places have apprenticeships. We don't on Long Island. You just have to work for 7 years. Then you can sit for your master plumber's test. Again, some places have apprentices. There's 2 years, 3 years.
There certainly is a license in almost every state in the union. In Massachusetts, there's a journeyman licensed plumber and a master plumber. You have to go at least 3 years of apprenticeship under a master. You have to do 300 hours of schooling. It's tough. And you know what? It's 7 years and 3 years and everything else. I will tell you, I want to put the plug in for Generation Next. One of the biggest crises we have in this country is getting young people into the skilled trades. Everybody is of our age now, and there's not another generation coming up. So if I was going to talk to a kid that was handy with his hands about a guaranteed trip to success for him or her, it would be to get into some skilled trade. It doesn't matter what it is. There's going to be a need for plumbers, heating guys, electricians, masons, carpenters, everybody. The industry, there's a housing stock that is 50 years old and older, all needing work right now at the same nanosecond that we don't have enough people coming in. So if you're talking to your kids and they're not sure what to do not be ashamed.
Don't be afraid.
Embrace it and let them be successful.
They don't have to go to college.
Right.
They really don't. Right. I mean, if your kid's not set up for that, and you hear the stories about college, and they don't have jobs when they come out. Sometimes too. But
I would never say that in case any doctors are listening. But we used to charge extra to the doctors.
Well,
sorry.
Well,
didn't you? No.
Well, as to the questions about licenses, I mean, as they say, if you're a plumber, plumbers' motto is we are responsible. We are the responsible for the health of the nation.
That's right.
Shouldn't you be licensed?
Yeah.